Amazing, renovated ranch home, close to Millquarter Golf Course. New ceramic tile foyer leads to a spacious, vaulted family room with a stone, gas log fireplace. Formal dining room has wood floors, crown molding, chair rail, French doors and a walkout bay window. Completely new. Eat-in custom kitchen has raised panel cabinets with granite countertops, ceramic tile floor, stainless appliances and a fabulous, built-in pantry. New light fixtures, ceiling fans, carpet and fresh paint throughout. Spacious master suite has 2 walk-in closets, master bath with tile floor, double vanity, jetted, corner tub and separate shower. Sunroom and deck overlook huge, fence, backyard. Paved driveway and aggregate sidewalks surround this awesome home. Peaceful and beautiful park-like setting.